Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can add a newsletter onto your Google Sites. So I should say from the beginning that Google Sites do not have native support of newsletter like other popular website builder like Wix or Squarespace. But of course, there is a workaround and there is an alternative for this. So instead of putting or setting up a newsletter natively from Google Sites, we're gonna use a website called ElfSite. This is a Google Sites newsletter forms plugin templates. And there is a lot of templates you can do here, like a sign up newsletter form, or a subscription newsletter form, or a pop up newsletter form, an email request, contact us, and there's a lot. There's not just a newsletter form here. But for this example, I'm going to do this one, a sign up newsletter form template, right? And you can do a lot here. You can customize it. You can right now there is a couple of fields like first name, last name, email address, interests, and of course the checkbox saying if you agree to get a newsletter or not. Let's try to customize some of these. So for the email notification here, you can see you can check if you want to get email notifications or not, and you can change what's the sender name as well. You can change what the new forms the subject is and also what the message is. There's a lot here that you can customize. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go to layout. And for the layout, you can see that it can be inline or it can be a floating panel, a floating pane, such as this. And the pane position can be right or left, like this. And you can also do a form width like this. So the pop-up can be either really narrow, medium, or really wide. For this one, I'm just going to keep it inline. And you can even also change the form layout, like if it's horizontal or if it's multi-step, right? So there's page one on it, but since this is only small, it'll just have one step out of step. So I'm just going to normal vertical one like this. And then you can also change the appearance, like you can make it purple or pink, red, a lot. And you can also change the font. I'm gonna change it to this, for example, like that. Of course, there's a lot of other things you can customize as well, like background or header or the form fields, the submit button, a lot. There's also a settings here you can do, like the language or the custom JS. But besides that, after you're done, you can just click this to add it to your website for free. Give it a second to load. Now let's click on publish. Let's do a free one. Now you'll get this. This is a script that you can copy. Let's click on copy and let's go back to our Google Sites. And in here, you want to click on the insert page and embed. On embed, click on this embed code, paste the code you just got, click on next, click on insert, and now you have a newsletter form right here on your Google Sites images.